Partial exam I1101, April 3rd, 2019. Question 1. Hello, and let's start solving this question. Write a program that asks a customer to enter the number of consumed electricity units, then calculate and print the electricity bill without VAT, and then print it with VAT, knowing that for the first 50 consumed units, the customer pays $0.5 per unit. For the units consumed beyond 50, the customer pays $0.75 per unit, and the VAT is equal to 11%. And the output of the program should be look like this exactly. For example, if the customer consumed 60 units of electricity, he pays for the first 50 units $0.5 per unit, and the other 10 units he pays $0.75 per unit. So let's try to solve this question. Include study.h inside the main function. I will declare units. So units is of type integer since no decimal part, but the bill that I should calculate and print it's of type double or float since there is a decimal part. So I will use the float bill VAT. Now I will enter the number of consumed electricity units, and finally I will print electricity bill without and with VAT. Now here there is no \n since I want to scan the number of units in the same line of the first line. So scan f %i or %d, it doesn't matter for integer, the address of units. Now I want to calculate the bill. I will say if units is less than or equal, units small, less than or equal to 50, bill will equal to units times 0.5. Else, what I mean with else, the complement of the statement inside the f, then the bill will equal. Then the units is above 50. I guarantee that is above 50 in this statement. Then it equal to 50 times the first 50 times 0.5, which is 25, plus the rest of the units minus 50 times 0.75. And now the bill VAT will equal to bill times 1.11, 11%. Now I will print the float values bill and bill VAT. So I will use %f. This is for bill, and here %f bill VAT. So I will try to compile. Here small u run. So I will try to use the same example in the exercise 149. There's a lot of zeros here, not favorable, and should be look like exactly the same as the exercise. So I will use, they took two decimal parts. So I will use dot 2, try to compile 149. So we're 99.25, 0.17. That's correct. And this code will be in the description box.